Hello everyone, my name is Nafis Gampang Rizky Wanto, my number 21 from class 11-4. In this video, I will make different spunking leaves. Enjoy the video and let's start cooking. Cook the shallots and garlic and some of the onions are really cooked. Then pour oil into the pan and heat it. Put the shallots and garlic into the pan and heat them, stirring them in the hot pan until they will. Then add the spring onion to the hot pan until browned. And chili to make it spicy. Then add eggs and stir until looks like scrambled egg. Then add Royco MSG, seasoning, sugar and other seasoning, then stir until evenly mixed. And also add sauri and oyster sauce and stir until evenly. Pumpkin leaves into the pan until wilted. Stir. After roasting the pumpkin leaves and reduce water on the pan and stir until evenly mixed. The dish is done and ready to eat. It smells really good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.